Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video, I'm going to show you guys the tutorial how to sum of your currency from USD to GBP or any other currency. So first you have to do, this is just only the example. I have some random data for, let's say, for 12 months. Maybe this is my revenue. And then I want to sum all of them by month through USD. So first of all, you have to choose your main currency. For me, I choose USD as the main currency. So the equivalency, the GBP should be on USD. So what you have to do, you just type in this kind of function. So the C2 of, the B1, B2 plus, because B2 already on USD, you don't need to convert it to GBP. And then the C2 or the GBP currency should convert into USD. So you type in this function, Google Finance. Don't forget to put the quotes here. Inside the quotes, you type in currency and then colon, and then you type in GBP, USD to GBP. This means that USD the first, the source of your number, and then convert into GBP. So I press enter, and then I drag down to the bottom. Another example, if I want to change it into Euro, the code is EUR. I just change the GBP into Euro. So it will loading for a while, and then I scroll down, and this is how to convert easily some from the different currency. So that's it, guys. This data is fetching the most current conversion of currency on Google. That's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Just copy or type again this function to your Google Sheets, and I hope it's useful for you. If it's please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.